So what? Thing
All right, I just recorded right now. Yo, this is Dre. This is Papa Dre, aka Rock, aka the Jamaican father.
Iron Man.
You know, Bob Marley, all Jamaican. Anyways, we're gonna watch Psy's Gentleman.
We're gonna watch this man you call Psy, okay? My new dance coming for new music, you know. So that's what's going on, you know. So yeah. Alright.
Get up, stand up for your right.
Gangnam Style was like a good thing, you know. It was like you know.
Gangnam Style was overplayed.
No man, like Jamaica root style too, you know.
That is, I don't know what he's talking about. What are you talking about?
Well, we call it root style in Jamaica too, Gangnam Style, Gangman style, you know, like the root style, you know.
Gangnam is a place in Korea.
Well, I don't know, but the style look good to me. Go on, play it.
Look at all those old gangsters. Look at all them go. I want an old gangster crew. Can I have one too?
One man dance like that, look at it. The man walking looking funny, but he's alright, you know, I can't see her.
He's touching titties. Look at the girl in the background. Look at the old gangsters. I don't know what this is all about though.
So, you must sing it in the Korean language, eh?
Yeah.
I thought you was gonna sing it like with American.
Nah. You know, you got kicked to your country. Look at that.
I want him
Why would you do that? Why do you do that?
I want him to do that himself.
Why do you do that to the girl?
Guys and cats.
The guy gotta take a shit. So guys should help him, right? Oh no, but he presses all the damn buttons.
Wow, why the man touch his bottle bucked us? What do you want? The man rude.
He's man rude. He's a rude boy.
Rude boy, no man. So
that's
like,
a rude boy dance. That's a rude boy dance. He's a motherfucker gentleman.
Man kick funny man. Why man? What to tell the man?
He doesn't care about the kids. Touching all them ladies. Don't care. I don't know what the fuck that's about. That's Gotten. That's the famous girl. Caesar throws a shirt, tries to impress for no reason.
Why should I follow him?
Oh, good for him. They're in love. Because, you know, girls like bad boys.
What's the hot the bitch? Watch it. You're born right.
That's the abracadabra dance, but now to me, I call it the asshole dance. Because it feels like he does that when he does something asshole-ish.
But she dance good, right? It's not like a funny way of doing it.
Well, that's the side way, of course. Look at him. You can touch all over her. You can.
Well, it was side.
Look what money could do to you.
Money go crazy. Go crazy, man.
He's trying to be sexy.
Well, it's kinda
do the dance.
Wrong fixing, man. I love that.
Wait, you can do the dance? I don't know what that is. That's it. Well, there's more. It's like bloopers.
Well, anything to make money, you know, is good, you know, to make entertainment the customer, you know, the clients, you know. So, you know.
Hold on, I'm looking at Guyan. Oh, okay, I'm not looking at her. Continue. He's just humping some shit.
No, well, that's all he did.
Oh no, wait, no, Guyan is back. No, it's alright. You know what I'm talking about.
And this taking mostly in Korean, right?
Of course, it's all Korean. You don't.
No, I thought maybe in England or something.
No, it is a Korean song, man.
No matter.
It's a Korean song. Why would he want to come to an American film?
No, England, man.
Why England? Why can't
England's...
he gotta represent Korea, South Korea?
International. They can't do
Nah, man,
everybody.
he gotta represent his home.
China, Japan, Korea, and all that.
Look, would you rather, if you're a famous musician, would you represent your home country?
Yeah, can.
Yes, okay, so it makes sense for him to do that, right?
So...
But that's size Gangnam Style. Oops.
Not gangster, man. Right, Charlie? Gentleman
Size
style.
gentleman.
The man tried to gentleman, but the man boy want him a rude boy style. You call it rude boy style,
This is the rude boy dance. This is the rude boy dance.
Time kind of rough up the girl a little bit and you know.
But the girl come to him.
But they don't call it a gentleman. You know, call it a rude boy style.
But that's why he says
rude man style. Rude man style.
Rude man style.
Yeah,
but that's
rude
a
man.
Jamaican term. Maybe a Jamaican can do a parody of that.
Yeah, because he's not a gentleman.
But he is a
A gentleman will go like this and open the door for the
Exactly.
woman and kiss her hand and stuff like that.
But don't you
But
think
you know-
it's funny? It's the irony that he's saying gentleman, but he's being an asshole.
Then in the opposite case, he want to shock someone.
But Asians are cool too. What are you talking about?
No, they're cool.
You
but
married one.
Jackie Chan's good too.
No, but you married an Asian.
Yeah, but what you know, because she's I love
What?
I love Asian
yeah,
girls.
Yeah.
I mean, I love Asian girls. You know, I'm an Asian. You know,
Asian girls, yeah.
Come to my heart, man. Until I say Asian girl, I melt.
Good for you. Hopefully
Yeah.
you don't milk too much.
No, I'm alright now.
Because my mom is yours.
Well, no, it's the say. I've been for 20
Alright, that's
years.
enough. I don't want to know about this. This is JRE. This is Jamaican man, whatever you want to
Hi,
call yourself.
man.
Rock, Dre, Papa Dre, whatever. Anyways, we watched it. I don't know what he thinks of it. He just thinks size.
It's
Whatever.
It's very good, and I guess you can't tell.
This is the Jamaican version. That's all.
Yeah,
I teach all
tracks.
my subscribers. Were you teaching them a lesson? How long are you gonna talk, sir?
Anyway, me gone. All right. See you later.